Hey guys, so before we jump into this video, we have a quick announcement. We are going to be in the Bay Area, San Francisco at the Book Passage at 3 p.m. April 14th for this Saturday for a book signing. So we'd love to meet you guys and talk with you guys and just make new friends. We really hope to see you there. It'd mean the world if you guys came. Yeah, so we'll leave a link in the description for more details, but it's this Saturday, April 14th at 3 p.m. Which is like tomorrow, right? That's not, no, it's Thursday. It's Thursday, so like 2 days. 2 days. See ya! Morning, guys. It is another beautiful day in sunny California. We have some exciting news. So, guys, check this out. Our book, The Clear Skin Diet, on Amazon is #1 new release. #1 in new release in vegetarian diet. So it's already #1. So when I click #1 new release, it's actually also #3 on the Kindle. So it's available on Kindle, on hardcover, and Audible. We'll leave the link in the description for you to get our book. It's out! Yeah! We've just arrived at the gym. My knee is actually kind of bothering me, so we're gonna take it easy, but can you show the shirt that I'm wearing? What does it say? Ethics. Ethics. It's a cute shirt. Shout out to you, Tim. You're awesome. I love his view on being naked. No, seriously, I wish we could walk around naked everywhere. Yeah, and then we're gonna go swimming, and I don't normally do swimming as exercise, but I figured I would try it because 1, it's super hot out, and 2, maybe it would feel better on my knee. I'm gonna start my workout with 10 minutes of yoga. Cooking. We are going to be making a sweet potato crust pizza from our book. Sweet potato pizza. I'm excited to show you. Alright, let's show the book. It's right here, guys. My mom has this special thing. Just doing some ASMR quickly. Karuna, if you're watching this, ASMR on our book. Sweet potato pizza crust with roasted veggies. Let's get started. So we steamed up some sweet potatoes, some orange ones. We need around 6 cups of mashed sweet potatoes without the skin. So I'm gonna peel. Oh, we're gonna peel them. Skin. What are you drinking as tea? I'm drinking the steamed juice of the sweet potato. And it's so freaking good. Really? I kind of want to try it. It's sweet potato tea. Ben, are you ready to try this? Sure. It's not that. No, you're gonna try the pizza. Oh. Are you ready for some pizza, Madison? We're making sweet potato pizza.
Yes, please.
Hold on. Wait, I want some sweet potato tea, Randa.
I'll give you guys some too. Does it just taste like dirt water?
No. Here.
Yes, Madison.
That's crazy.
Hold up, try this, guys.
All right.
Yeah, sweet potato. It's gluten free too. You guys can share. Can I have some too?
Juice, sweet potato juice?
Yeah.
Does it have
just like water?
Yeah,
it's got all the vitamins that would.
Does it really?
Whoa.
Is it good?
No, yeah.
It's
seriously,
good.
for real.
Randa, I want some too.
It tastes kind of like apple cidery.
It's like the inside of the sweet potato.
Yeah. Is it good?
It's good.
Dang, that is good.
Hacks. She likes it. There's a little more I can get you guys more.
Tea.
Let me try.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, that is good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Actually, I discovered the sweet potato tea from our new friend Citade. Just a shout out. So we got, how many cups of this do we have? So we have 6 cups of mashed sweet potatoes, and now we're adding 2 cups of gluten-free flour. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of applesauce to the mix. All right, and now we're gonna add in these spices. We got onion, Italian, and garlic. You could do some other spices, but this we're gonna start with. So you got a teaspoon of each. 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Boom, baby. Mix it all together. Now I've put my parchment paper on my pizza stone, and I'm gonna spread out the crust. Ooh, this is looking good. Ben, you wanna perform for us? For the vlog?
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want? It's like that Ryan Gosling scene. What do you want? We're gonna bake this. This is a big pizza. Wow. We're gonna bake this for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we're gonna add the toppings on? Yes. Cool. All right, let's put her in. Oh yeah, pizza! Trevor, are you ready to eat pizza?
Yeah, I'm ready. What am I not ready to eat pizza?
You know what I realized? Every girl has a man here right now, but not I. So, Ben, we're about to take some aloe vera shots.
Wow.
You ready for this? I got you a shot on the table.
Oh, it smells like medicine.
It smells like medicine? Randa, film us downing it. I like it. I like it.
Dude, it's good for you.
I
Just
hate
drink
medicine.
Cheers, everybody.
it. Cheers.
Camera's
To
about
health and friendship.
Wealth and happiness.
to... How is it? Oh, I love it. Aloe vera, it's good for your skin. It's good for your digestion. Ben, what do you think?
Why does it taste
No.
like that?
I don't know. Oh, you didn't try it, Ben?
Down with the muffin. Yeah, I did.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yay! Ew, it's disgusting. Wow. So this is our baked pizza crust. Now we're gonna add toppings. So we're gonna start with some Engine 2 oil
Sauce.
pasta sauce, and we're also gonna use some
Barbecue sauce.
to make it a barbecue.
Let's add some veggies to it too, right?
Some veggies, yeah, but let's do this first. Wait,
You gonna do it?
no,
Boom, baby.
come on. Thank you.
There's
What are you keeping around for?
We don't need a man till we have pasta sauce in the kitchen.
We got that, thank you. Thank you.
Maddie would get it. That's one of her favorite
Nacho
movies.
Libre is the best, man. I love
Yeah.
Nacho Libre.
that. Yes,
Nacho.
I dressed up as Nacho Libre.
Hey, wait, guys, which movie? Which movie did you like more, Napoleon Dynamite or Nacho Libre?
Nacho Libre.
Probably Nacho Libre.
Napoleon Dynamite was the worst movie of history.
We got the pasta sauce on there. Now I'm gonna add some barbecue. As toppings, we got some mushrooms, some broccoli, some artichoke hearts, and some tomatoes. And then we're gonna bake it for another 10 minutes until it's all cooked up. And now we've got the finished product. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my gosh, guys. This is amazing. If you want more recipes, check out our book. We'll leave it linked in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can check out more recipes in our book, The Clear Skin Diet. So clicking the link in the description. Not only does this food keep our skin clear, but it's also good for just general health as well. So I think you guys would really enjoy it no matter
Everybody likes
what.
pizza.
Everybody like pizza, everybody like waffles. We hope to see you in San Francisco if you're from the Bay Area at the Book Passage, and let us know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Bye!